I've been suffering from vaginal dryness way too long. With only one application of Restore, I'm back to my old self. I'm 57 and I feel 37. Please never stop doing what you do.
Hi, my name's Wendy Strigar and I'm the CEO and founder at Good Clean Love. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about one of my all-time favorite products, and for me it's a nightly product, our Restore Moisturizing Gel. It's actually patented and it's the only product like this on the market. This is actually where we learned about biomatch science. So not only is it a pH balanced, aloe-based, water-based gel, but it actually has a couple of other magical characteristics that make it unique among vaginal moisturizers. So the first is that it always maintains, or actually will bring your pH down to a 3.7, which is where the healthiest lactobacilli can thrive. So on those days that something feels kind of off, or usually how we know something's off is that it smells off, that usually means that your pH is rising. So when you use Restore Gel with a really handy applicator, I'll show you, it comes with the tube and an applicator. And so the applicator just screws onto the tip of this bottle. But this also allows you to dose measure how much you want to insert in an evening. And it comes apart really easily, so super easy to wash. And you can insert your choice 3 to 5 mLs. What women will sometimes experience the first time they use it, or when they maybe notice something's off, is that there's a little bit of tingling or warming. That's actually the product at work. So don't quit. That's like when we know that we're actually coming back to our healthiest vaginal biome. Women who have struggled, been to many, many doctors, will find their way back to a natural, healthy, stable vaginal biome with the use of Restore. You should try it. I think you will be really pleasantly surprised.